Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a new Magic remote to your LG TV. And this is rather simple. So I have this new remote, and if I want to connect it, what I want to do is simply reset the remote. So make sure you got the batteries in here, you got new batteries. Now let's put the cover on, hit the back button and the home button, and just hold this down for about 5 seconds. And if you do this, this will reset the remote. So we know it's reset, and then we can reconnect it to the TV. Now, if you do this with your existing remote, it's going to say on the TV, remote registration is disconnected on the bottom. And it's going to tell you to press the OK wheel. So you get this little scrolly wheel right here that goes up and down. You just simply want to click this in when you have it pointed at your TV, so it's a clear signal. I'm going to press the OK. So this thing goes up and down, click it in. So let's click it in. It says it's registering new Magic remote at the bottom, and it's bringing up some sort of video on here. So all you have to do is simply reset it and click this middle button. And if you have an older remote, simply disconnect it and then connect this new one. So to disconnect a remote, simply just hold down the back button and the home button, and it will tell you it's disconnected on the TV. So it's going to bring it up on the TV right now. Remote registration is disconnected. Then try connecting your new remote, and it should work. So if you are having issues with it, just try resetting everything. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.